ఎంత మేడం నల్లగా పడుతుంది మేడం ఏదో ఉంటుందరే అది నాకు అసలే కెమెరా తీయడం కాదు ఏదో తీసేస్తున్నాను నువ్వు తీస్తావా
What is meant by aggregation? These are special type of relations only. Is a generalization, okay, and aggregation. Aggregation is represented in same diamond shape with solid lines. Okay, here employee, all the details, departments, concept, and having the attributes. Again, this is having the monitor. Okay, this project, like project, it is having the attribute of PID started on budget, and projects are sponsored to the department having the ID, detail, budget, and this is having the relation monitor until the completion period of a time. Okay, next employee will monitor the project which is sponsored to department. Aggregation, this symbol is aggregation. Okay, like easy reverse triangle circle easy, like here aggregation, so which is used to a model relation between the collection of entities and relationships. Is it clear? Yes or no?
yes ma'am
Next.
లైట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి చూసేస్తారా